In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Read More function on your Wix website. This can be a great way to manage content, keep your pages looking clean and tidy, and ensure visitors stay engaged by encouraging them to explore your pages more deeply. To begin, we'll start by accessing your Wix website editor. It's a good idea to have a clear vision of the text you want to consolidate. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you have your site selected in the Wix dashboard. Once you're ready, click on Edit Site, which will take you to the Wix editor interface. With the Wix editor open, the next step is to find the Add button. You'll see it on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and a menu will pop up displaying various elements you can add to your website. Among these options, you'll want to select Text, since we're specifically focusing on text elements today. Once you've clicked on Text, you'll be presented with several different options. For this task, what we are interested in is collapsible text. This feature is essentially what allows us to implement the Read More function. So go ahead and select Collapsible Text. After clicking it, Wix offers various templates of collapsible text for you to choose from. Look through these options and pick a style that aligns with your website's aesthetic and design. Using collapsible text is particularly handy, as it provides a preview of the text while allowing the viewer to expand the section to read more if they wish. Now, it's time to customize the look and feel of your collapsible text. Click on the option that says Change Design. Customizing the look of your text is crucial as it should complement the rest of your site's design. Personalization options might include altering the text box's colors, borders, and other stylistic elements. At this stage, you get to decide what exactly you wish to design. You can edit the text box itself or adjust its properties. Here, think about your design scheme and how best to incorporate this new element into your overall aesthetic. Next, consider the font. Choosing the right font type is key as it needs to be readable and in harmony with the rest of the fonts used across your site. Wix provides a diverse range of fonts, so take your time experimenting with them until you find the perfect match. Finally, once the font is selected, ensure the font size is suitable. It needs to be large enough to be easily legible, but not so large that it overwhelms other page elements. Aim for balance to maintain a professional and clean look. By following these steps, you now have an effective Read More function on your Wix site, neatly organizing content and enhancing user experience. Happy editing, and thanks for tuning in today.